How to erase part of an image in Canva. So if you want to erase part of an image in your Canva, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your browser and search for Canva. Make sure that you've logged into your Canva. Once you're on your Canva, you need to select an image or go with an image in which you would like to erase a part. So once you're on your image, you need to go with the image. First, select the image. After selecting, you need to go with edit. And once you go with edit image, you will have a background remover or you will have remove background option. You need to click on remove background. And first you need to remove your background. But make sure that you have a Canva Pro subscription because if you don't have it, then it won't work. So make sure that you have your subscription and then you need to go and remove your background. Once you've removed your background, then on the left side, you will have select a brush option. You need to select the brush and after selecting your brush, you just need simply brush the part where you would like to remove. And after brushing the part that you would like to remove, that part of the image will be erased. So that's it. That's how you can erase a part of an image in Canva. But make sure that you have a Canva Pro subscription and you'll be able to use it. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.